Hey guys, it's Landon Blake with Refine Horizons, and this is a training video I'm doing for one of my survey techs, Michaela. I'm actually going to do probably two of these. So in this first video, I'm going to show her how we process notes from a level loop in Microsoft Excel, and then in the next video, I'm going to kind of give her an overview of an elevation certificate and the information that we put in an elevation certificate. So, all right, so let me just say right here at the beginning that if we have a TBC project, we would typically process these level notes inside a TBC. But in this particular case, we do have a TBC project, but the level loop we ran was for an elevation certificate. It wasn't to establish the leveled elevations on control, and so it really doesn't make sense to do this inside a TBC. So we're going to do it in Excel. So if you're on my team, you go to RH Templates, RH Control. We have this level loop spreadsheet that we're going to use. So we're going to go paste this into the job. Okay, and this will go into the field folder. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in the in from crew. I'm going to do a new folder with today's date. What is today's? The 6th, I think. Nope, 7th. Okay, so we'll put this in here. Okay, and then we're going to just go ahead and open this up. Alright, so I'll pull this over for you guys. So this is what our spreadsheet looks like. Okay, and we've set it up to read basically the same way that field notes read. Okay, and we've actually got, there's two loops in here. I only have one loop today, so I'm just going to delete this. Okay, and so what we want to do is we want to actually plug in the information from our level loop that we just ran. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete these. Okay, and then we're going to pull up the actual field notes. If I can remember where I put them. Let's see. And I don't remember, so hang on. Alright, sorry about that, guys. So I got the field notes in here now. Okay, so here's our chicken scratch field notes. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can set these up to be side by side, because that's going to work better. Whoop. Now I have two monitors, which makes this easier, but I'm not going to use that for this because I'm doing the screen recording. So, all right, here you go. Okay, so here's our level notes. So the first thing we want to do, we're going to put in our first point. So it was RH number 1. Okay, so that goes under station. Okay, so you can think of station as also like the point ID. Okay, and our starting elevation was 74.33. Okay, now this is set to carry elevations out to the 1,000th. That's just to help with the rounding a little bit. But we didn't write them down to the 1,000th, which is okay. We'll just plug it in and the Excel will do the rounding. Okay, and this description here is, this is a 5/8 inch diameter rebar at the north, let's see, what's the northeast corner of the parcel. Okay. Okay, so now our first row is done. Okay. So the next thing we do is we come down here, so we're doing this just like the level notes, right? So we had a backside here of 4.43. Okay, and it automatically will do this math for us here. So it takes the elevation here, adds the backside, and gives us our height of instrument. Okay, then we're going to plug in our foresight here. It's 4.43. Okay, and we're going to put in, this is turn point 1. So TP1 is what we call that. Now, this doesn't have a formula here because I deleted it by accident, but what we're going to do is we're going to take the height of instrument minus the foresight. Okay, gives us the elevation at TP1, and then this thing just repeats. Okay, so what we can do, just to make sure our formula is copied, is we can actually just copy those two rows down. Okay, this is going to be TP2. Okay, our next backside was 4.14. You can see this automatically updates to 78.47. Okay, and then our next foresight was 4.53. Okay, and it's calculating the elevations here as we go. Okay, now you can also see down below, it's going to total your backsights and your foresights. When you get all the way done with your loop, if it's a closed loop, these two columns should be equal to each other within a hundredth or two. If that's not true, then you have a bust in your level loop. Okay, now I don't want to finish this because I want to leave some for my tech Michaela to do tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and type these in. These were, this is a 6-inch long wood guinea. Okay, that's what we set for our turn points today. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this, and then I will let Michaela finish that tomorrow. But that's how you basically run this spreadsheet. Now it gets a little bit different when you get into some intermediate foresights, but it's the same basic concept. And this is how we process level notes in Excel. So I know it was a short video. I'll do some more videos. I'm gonna do a whiteboard video on just the basic process of differential leveling and the format for the level notes. So I'll try and get that recorded here in the next week or two. But this will get Michaela going for tomorrow. So all right, guys, thanks for watching.